Hola clase. Hi guys. So there's been a lot of questions about late work and mistakes in the grade book. So here is what we are going to do about that. So I've created this form. So anytime that you have a mistake or you turned in something late in the grade book, you are going to be filling out this form. Okay. So it says, Senora, my grade, help. What I want you to do is type in your last name and your first name. Please make sure that you spell your own name correctly. Otherwise, it does not sync up with Infinite Campus, so there could be a mistake there. Select whatever hour you are in. It doesn't matter if you are an AB student, like a hybrid A or B or online, just select your hour. And then this is really important. Whatever assignment is incorrect in the gradebook, or there is a mistake, or there is a problem, you need to tell me what the assignment name is from Infinite Campus and when that assignment was due. Okay, so when was that assignment due and what is the name of the assignment? Please make sure that you type that in there. And then this is really important. There was an error in the gradebook because number one is I submitted the work after the suggested deadline on the calendar. You submitted your work late, and then you turned it in. Okay, so if there is any reason why you did your assignment late, would be what you select. Okay, and then the next one is I did the work on time, but there is an error or a typo. Can you please check? Absolutely. I am human. I make mistakes. So there could be a mistake in Infinite Campus, and I will fix that for sure. And then the final one is I retook or redid the assignment for a higher score. Yay. Okay, so if I sent back or returned your work and you needed to get a better score on it, then that is the selection that you would make. Finally, the last question is, honestly, this is all about you guys and your personal self about advocating for your grade. Your grade is your responsibility. This is high school. I cannot hold your hand through every single thing. You have to be accountable for your own work, your own mistakes. I will admit when I am wrong and when I make a mistake, but you also will have to do that for yourself. You also have to advocate for yourself if there is a problem in the grade book. I have a ton of kids. Okay, I have 30 kids plus in a class. Times that by 6. That's a lot of kids. So please make sure that you check this box reading that you agree to these terms. I understand that my grades are my responsibility, that I must advocate for myself quickly and politely, keyword there, guys, keyword there, and that Miss Alamami will update everything as soon as possible. As soon as possible means that I have a lot of stuff to do, so it might not get done as soon as you turn it in, okay? Thanks, guys, and then after that, you will submit it, and I will get working on your grades. Adios.